At least look, $0 is how much I made today. Now what you about to do? You about to super chat that money? You about to buy a membership? What is we finna do now that you know that I made $0? No tip, no trip, and remember, we know where you live. Shout out to Sigma, always making me laugh, man. These fucking comments. $100 in 12 hours. Well, I mean, hey, you know, it ain't the best. It ain't the best, but I mean, there's some room for improvement, right? Room for improvement. So it's all good. Look, we can just take the L. You know, $100 in 12 hours, yes. You made bad money. You made very, very bad money. But you made a good decision coming in here. That was the best decision you made all day. Because the orders you took today was not a good decision. But I'm going to tell you what. If you bring your ass back here tomorrow, we will make sure you make more than 112 hours. Okay? I promise you that. That's like $5 an hour. Oh, my God. We need to send your ass a super chat. God damn. I've been on live for 2 hours and I made $7. So you know what? We in the same boat. Never mind. I take that back. Lou Bands, we in the same boat. Had to keep my AR high. Hey, Doordash love your ass. You good. You good in Tony book. $100 and 12. DJ Sauce in the building. What up, bro? Bro, that's crazy. I can't talk though, cause look, I've been out here 2 hours and I'm at $7. So I mean, shit. I ain't doing too much with that shit. I ain't doing too much better. And then I turned on Grubhub too, didn't I? Didn't I turn this damn app on? I mean, it wouldn't have made no difference. Who am I kidding? I don't know why I'm sitting here acting like it would have made. It wouldn't have made no difference. If this app go off, I'll be surprised. Look at this shit. And they got the nerve. They got the motherfucking nerve. They got the motherfucking nerve. They got the motherfucking nerve. These people are straight up clowns, bruh. Them people in that house is clowns. The fuck is wrong with them? Nobody doing that shit. You said tap the house and the address will come up? Doordash gotta be high. They is high. That mug was upside down. Jean-Pierre with the 99 cents. Let's go. Thank you. That's crazy. Doordash is straight smoking crack. Eric Berry, I'm trying, man. I keep almost getting deactivated every time my AR go too high. It's crazy. Every single time my acceptance rate goes up, I get very close to getting deactivated. That's actually ludicrous if you think about it. The more orders you do, the increased chance of you being deactivated. Let me see if I can get it without the volume in the way this time. There we go. So you said tap the house. Damn! It give you their address, cuz! Shout out to Megan. Shout out to Megan. I can make a YouTube short. Alrighty, guys. So if you want to know the specific address of the non-tipping customer, you zoom in, you tap, look, you see the address of the merchant, and now you can see the address of the non-tipping customer.